Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today we're diving into the exciting world of passive income with the amazing browser extension BlockMesh. Get ready to transform your browsing time into a rewarding experience. BlockMesh revolutionizes anonymous queries with its privacy-first chatbot, providing a decentralized, transparent, and secure network for ethical AI oversight. It uses a blockchain ledger to immutably record data usage and transactions, preventing geographic exploitation and ensuring transparency. BlockMesh enables global participation in aligning AI systems with human values and ethics. With over 170,000 verified nodes, it fosters a balanced and transparent digital ecosystem. Now, let's talk about how you can earn from BlockMesh. Click on the link in the video description to get started. Confirm that you are a human and not an automated system. Next, you'll arrive at the registration page. Enter your email address and set a strong password. To get started, you will need an invite code, which is already pre-filled for your convenience. Next, click Submit. Keep an eye out for a verification email after registration. Alternatively, you can register with a wallet. You will now be greeted with a dashboard that looks like this. If you haven't received the verification email, you can resend and verify it from this page. Here, you will also see the option to download the browser extension to start earning. Click Download Extension. Once you have installed the extension, launch it. Type in your email and password that you used during registration. Then, click Login. You will arrive at a screen that you see here. From here you can access your dashboard and your referral link. Click on Dashboard to explore it further. The BlockMesh dashboard allows you to monitor connected devices, their uptime, referrals, completed tasks, and earned points. It also displays download speed, upload speed, and latency. In the Referrals tab, you can monitor your referral status and earn rankings as your referrals grow. BlockMesh also allows you to edit and customize your invite link. In the Perks tab, you can view the perks you've earned. Next, you will need to connect your wallet to receive payments and rewards. Click on Connect Wallet. Choose your preferred wallet and connect it. Once your wallet is connected, it will be displayed here. BlockMesh will automatically process payments. Follow BlockMesh and its founder on Twitter to earn additional rewards. Remember, the more bandwidth you share and the more you engage with the platform, the more rewards you earn. You can also participate in the BlockMesh airdrop event to earn free BMH tokens based on your participation and contributions. Join the BlockMesh revolution today and be a part of the new era of decentralized AI monitoring and passive income. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.